Hey everybody, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you Gimkit's newest game mode called Blastball. It's a 2D game mode. What you're going to want to do is just head into your Gimkit set, hit play live. Here's the game, Blastball right here. So we'll click that. There aren't too many settings you have to mess with. Game duration, I feel like 6 minutes is definitely long enough to get a decent game in, but obviously play with it. Blasts per question, 10 is a decent number. I wouldn't go much lower than that because it just really depends on how many questions you want your students to answer, but 10 is a pretty good number. The commentary is, I had one class who really enjoyed it, and it's just like a voice who will yell "goal" when they make a goal and say some other things as well. And another class who was like, "Turn that off." They didn't like it, so maybe just kind of experiment with that one as well. That is pretty much it. Now let's get into some gameplay. So like all of Gimkit's 2D modes, when the game first starts, it's recommended to answer some questions to get yourself some energy or whatever it is you need. In this instance, you need to be able to shoot the ball, so every time you answer a question, you get some shots to shoot the soccer ball. And basically, when you spawn, you're either on the left-hand side or the right-hand side of the map. If you're on the left-hand side, you want to score on the right, and then right-hand side, score to the left. And you're going to shoot the ball down to the opposite side and try and make it into the net. I think we'll see a score here in just a second. Heating up. I'm about to score. Oh, I just scored on an Emmy. In the background, if you heard someone yelling "goal," that was actually the automated voice that you can use in the game. So it wasn't actually like me or a student yelling "goal." I also want to mention that there are at least 2 soccer balls. I thought maybe in one of the games I played that there were 3 soccer balls, so I'm not 100% sure about how many they are, but there, you can see right there, there's at least 2. So that makes the game a little bit more exciting, having multiple soccer balls. If during the game you want to see who's on what team or what the score is, you can click up there in the top right and you can check that out. Also, you can know who's on your team by looking at the color of the names during the game. And lastly, of course, teachers, at the end of the game, you can click on View Report and see the students' accuracies, how many questions they answered, and those normal things. Hope this helped.